Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a basic, elegant balloon swan. Whether you're new to balloon twisting or a seasoned professional, welcome to the channel and thanks so much for watching. I'm going to jump right into the tutorial, so if you appreciate that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps our channel and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe for more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. The supplies you're going to need are a dual action hand inflator, one 260 size balloon twisting balloon. Both of these can be found using the links in the description below. Once you've hit that like button and gathered your supplies, let's get started. This is a relatively simple shape, but if you want more of an introduction to balloon twisting, check out our balloon twisting basics tutorial video. To start off, we're going to inflate our balloon to about 4 finger lengths tail. Let a little bit of air out of the balloon, then tie it off. The first thing we're going to do is make a big loop twist. What that means is we're going to bend the balloon around and grab the nozzle so that we have one free hand. Our loop twist needs to be about 6 to 7 inches long. As we're holding the nozzle with our thumb and forefinger right here, we're going to use our other fingers to squeeze this part of the balloon and twist our loop twist. Then I'm going to stick this nozzle through the loop twist to lock this joint in place. Next, I'm going to twist a segment that's about 7 inches long or a little bit shorter than the loop twist we just made. If I let go of one side of this balloon, it's going to come untwisted right here. I'm going to fold the tail end of my balloon along the segment that we just created. I'm going to put pressure on this balloon where this joint is already created and twist around these two segments together. These two segments are going to be our wings, and this loop twist is going to be the body and the tail. What we want to do here is spread out these two wings and stick the middle of this loop twist through these two segments. I want the top of this loop twist to be still sticking out on this side of my two segments, and I want the body or bottom of this loop twist to come through these two wings right here. Now we have something that looks like this, and we want to make an S shape with the rest of our balloon for the swan head. So I'm going to bend this piece back towards the tail. Then to make a bend in our balloon like this, I'm going to rub both sides of the balloon up and down and then pinch the bend a few times to make it stick. You can mess around with rubbing the balloon and pinching it to get the bend that you want in the neck of your swan. But this is your basic swan shape right here. If you want to add a little more detail, you can have a Sharpie and add some wings or eyes or whatever you want to add to this. If this was helpful, don't forget to like this video for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps our channel, and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. You can subscribe to our channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. And if you'd like to turn this hobby into a lucrative side job, contact us for job opportunities in your area. Good luck with your balloon swan. I'm Joey. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.